These are the cleaning procedures for the HyFlex 30G. The exterior of the unit can be washed down. Avoid washing the engine down with water. This can cause problems with the electrical components on the engine. The engine will need to be cleaned with compressed air so it can have proper cooling. At the end of the day, the hopper will need to be cleaned. Open the hopper bottom with the two clamps. All the material can be washed out. Once the hopper is clean, introduce clean fresh water to the hopper, place the unit in forward, run the unit until there is clean water coming out of the end of the stator tube. If operating the 30G in coastal areas, the machine will have to be washed down daily to remove the salt that can be accumulated daily on the unit. We want to remove the salt to ensure that the unit does not rust or corrode.